Want to get more leads using LeadPages? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage the software to supercharge your lead generation efforts. Stick around, because I'll also reveal a secret alternative at the end that could boost your results even further. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to know is that LeadPages is great for creating high-converting landing pages. It's super user-friendly, so if you're not a designer or developer, don't worry. You can build professional-looking pages in minutes. However, while it does the job for basic lead gen pages, it's not the most customizable tool out there. If you're looking for something with more advanced customization options, LeadPages might leave you wanting more. Next thing you need to consider is its templates. LeadPages offers a solid variety of templates, which are a real time saver. But here's the catch: some of these templates feel a little too generic. If you're running a business where differentiation is key, you might find yourself needing to tweak these designs more than you'd like. Plus, they don't always perform as well as you'd hope when it comes to conversion rates. Now, let's talk integrations. LeadPages integrates with a lot of third-party tools, which is great for streamlining your process. You can easily connect it with your CRM, email marketing tool, and even payment gateways. But here's the downside: some of these integrations are a bit clunky. They work, but if you're running a high-volume campaign, you may encounter occasional hiccups. It's not perfect, and there are better options out there in terms of seamless integration. Next thing, LeadPages A/B testing. This is a feature you'll absolutely want to use, especially if you're serious about optimizing your landing pages for conversions. LeadPages gives you the ability to test different versions of your page. But here's the thing: the testing options can feel a little basic compared to some other tools. You can test headlines, images, and buttons, but if you're looking to split test more complex elements, you're going to run into limitations. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. LeadPages is fairly affordable, especially for small businesses. But once you start looking at some of the higher tier plans, you might start questioning if it's the best value for your money. It's not the cheapest tool out there, and if you're running a larger business with more advanced needs, you might want to explore some alternatives that offer better value for your specific goals. And now, the big reveal. While LeadPages does a decent job at helping you generate leads, I've found that there are tools that do it better. One of these alternatives offers more advanced features like better customization, stronger integrations, and more powerful A/B testing. It also has a much more flexible pricing structure that's suited for growing businesses. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive, extended free trial of the software, which will give you more freedom and flexibility when trying to generate leads. Plus, we've added some amazing alternatives that might fit your needs even better, all with their own free trials. These tools can help you hit your lead generation goals faster. Check the link below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.